This is Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, and in this video I will figure out what is the maximum camera zoom that this device has to offer. So without further ado, let me zoom into some object. So let's say I'll go with this SIM card frame and see what is the maximum value that I will be able to achieve. So as you can clearly see, the maximum or the farthest I can zoom in is 10x. So wait until the camera focuses so we can somewhat understand the quality of this zoom. And yeah, it's not the best one that I've ever seen, but I guess that it is, well, reasonable at least. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.